2022 iHeartRadio Music Festival is back.
And every weekday, there's 3 chances to win a trip to the hottest festival of the year.
Oh my goodness, I'm doing the right thing for once.
For your body, anyway.
Yes, they make it so simple. All of the juices are numbered, so if you're doing a 1-day cleanse or a 3-day cleanse or a 7-day cleanse, which you can order online, you just have to follow the numbers.
And even if I'm not doing a cleanse, I like the juices because I'm getting my fruits and veggies in.
You can order now, get free same-day delivery with the code word radio, and tell them Marcus and Corey sent you. It's squeezed.com. Order today.
Shopping for the Volkswagen of your dreams is easy at Stevens Creek Volkswagen. Stevens Creek Volkswagen has the Bay Area's largest selection based on the Northern California Dealer Inventory Report. Award-winning models like the all-electric VW ID4 EV, the Taos, Atlas Cross Sport, Jetta, and Tiguan. Our friends at Stevens Creek Volkswagen will make the buying experience safe, simple, and fun. So stop dreaming and visit them today at StevensCreekVW.com. That's StevensCreekVW.com.
Women's voices need to be heard, and now they can be. The 10 winners of Seneca Women to Hear, Search for the Next Great Female Podcaster, will each launch their own podcasts on the Seneca Women Podcast Network on iHeartRadio later this year, with support from founding partner P&G. With its brands like Pantene, Olay, and Secret, P&G is dedicated to creating a more equal world, where we see equal, choose equal, and hear equal. Hear more about the journey of these women at SenecaWomen.com.
Think you know Amazon? Think again. Did you know you can get paid when it works best for you? Yeah, that means you can get the money you earned directly after your shift. Or that you get benefits like healthcare on your very first day. As an Amazon warehouse associate, you'll be amazed by what you can get. To learn more about all of the benefits of working an hourly job at Amazon, go to Amazon.com/hourly. That's Amazon.com/hourly. Amazon is proud to be an equal opportunity employer.
Wellendorf jewelry is magical.
Your life will change.
You will ask yourself,
How did they make this gold robe feel as soft and supple as silk?
hundreds of microscopically thin strands of gold are woven together by hand, just like the finest silk.
And when you see the extraordinary craftsmanship of their rings and bracelets,
You will know that you have seen the pinnacle of the jeweler's art.
Shreve at 150 Post off Union Square.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in Stanford Shopping Center.
This is Star 1013 with more variety for the 2000s.
From the 90s.
And today.
On radio, smart speaker, or the iHeartRadio app. This is Star 1013.
Jackson.
Moverazzi.
Star 1013.
When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold. When your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all, when the bloods run stale, I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you put my feet, look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. Lights fade out, all the sinners cross, so they dug your grave in the masquerade. Will come calling out at the mess you made. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. No, this is all. Still I'm made of greed. This is my kingdom come. My kingdom come. When you look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Too close to the inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. They say it's what you make. I say it's love to fade. It's woven in my soul. I need to let you go. Your eyes, they shine so bright. I wanna save that light. I can't escape this now unless you show me how. Stars 1013.
Looking like all the stars are faded. I remember the night I was so frustrated. Touching him for the first time, I see it on your face and another lifetime's flashing by. I'm here standing in the same dress. You're in your apartment. I'm already gone. When you left, I bet you held your body closer, and I was hoping you would tell her it was over. You're
September, music's biggest names come to Las Vegas to play the iHeartRadio Music Festival. Millions tune in to experience once-in-a-lifetime performances and collaborations on the nighttime stage. But on Saturday afternoon, only the select few who have tickets get to see the changing music right now on the daytime stage, September 24th at Area 15 Las Vegas. Get tickets at AXS.com for only $75. Be there with alternative artists like Maggie